Hi everyone, this is coming to you from Education for All. We are looking at problem number 2, composite functions. We solved the first problem here that asks us to find f of g of 6. We are now looking at the second part, which says find f of g of x equals x. So let's start with the outer part first. We are looking at b, f of g of x equals x. So we have here f of, what is g of x? G of x is 3x minus 2, g of x, 3x minus 2 all over 2. Yeah? So now what is f? And they say this is equals to x, sorry. So for the function f of g of x, so f is 9 minus 4x. So this is going to translate now to 9 minus 4x. So when you have x, you put this 3x minus 2 over 2. 3x minus 2 divided by 2. Put your two lines again, equals x. All what you need to do now is to simplify this problem here. But here again, let me try to simplify first what is inside. Yeah, this gives you the modulus of 9 minus, this, there's a 2 here, there's a 4 here. So these 2 will go into this 4 twice. So what is left now is 2. The denominator is gone. So you now have 2 times 3x, which is 6x, minus 2 times 2, which is 4. You have your two lines equals to x. So if you simplify this, you'll have 9 minus 6x. This is 4. So it'll be plus 4, because when you distribute, there is a 1 here. And declare the bracket, this sign is going to change. So now you have 9 plus 4. What is 9 plus 4? This gives you 13 minus 6x equals x. So we've simplified it up to this point. Because what we have now, because of this modulus function, we just mentioned about it in the previous video, part A of this same problem, modulus function, function. This, because of this modulus function here, is being equated to a number here, to a variable here. It means we are going to get two equations from this. One equation is going to be positive, another equation is going to be negative before the modulus sign. That is what it means. So let's see how it is being translated. So first, this question now, this problem here, you will have, first one you will have positive one, the positive side. So this is going to be 13 minus 6x equals x. So on the negative side, you are going to put a negative at the front of the function. So now it's going to be like minus negative sign, 13 minus 6x equals x. So you're going to have 1, 2. This is how they are done. Right? You're going to have those two equations to solve. One is positive, one is negative. That is how this modulus function is being translated. It's two functions in one. If I don't do this. Yeah? So let's solve the first one first, I. 1. So we have 13x minus 6x minus 6, 13 minus 6x equals x. So you have here 13 equals, you bring the x, so this is going to be 7x. So this gives you x equals 13 all over 7. That is the first value of x, 13 all over 7. And now let's solve the second one. Second part, which is minus. You have minus 13 minus 6x equals x. Distribute the minus, so this is going to give you minus 13 plus 6x equals x. So again, bring the x here and the 13 over there. So this is going to be 6x minus x equals minus, there will be plus 13. So this is 5x equals 13. So x is equals to 13 all over 5. So this is the other answer. So you're having two answers. First one is 13 over 7 and the next second one is 13 over 5 for this modulus function. So these are your answers. If you ask to find f of x equals to x, this is one of the answers. This is another one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.